my channel, Sparkle and Glue. So glad to have you here today. So I just wanted to show you, so we had made, this is a 5x5 folio, and I have the tutorial which I'll link below, and I did decorated one of them, the craft paper one. This is the white paper one, and I decorated it, so I wanted to share it with you. The paper I used is from my Porch prints, and it's called the Purple Petite pack. I'm not sure why they're calling it a Petite pack, because it has so many, I think it has like 10 different background pages, and then so many cutouts and tags, and certainly plenty to work with. But anyway, so let me just get started and show you again. So the measurements are 5x5, and everything in that I used, I mean, if there's anything I'll let you know, but almost everything is from this Petite pack. So just a little envelope with a tag in it, and then this flips open, and I just glued one of their butterflies. I enlarged it and cut it out. And these are the pockets and just little envelopes and cards that they have. And this flips up and flips down, and we have a little card here, and I glued an envelope onto the belly band with a little tag. And then this just opens up, and I just put one of the little cards that they had inside. And then I glued some of the, these are little flowers and numbers on. And this opens, and it's a pocket, and then I just put in some more of their tags and tickets and different things that they had in the set. So that's that. And then this is our triple fold page. So I made little envelopes from leftover scraps of paper from the album when I made it, and then each page it just opens. I put some journaling cards there. This is a doily that I just cut out and glued it on, and then this is a butterfly underneath. So that is that. And then this is a double pocket page, so you have pocket and this little envelope with a little, I'm not sure what it is. I can't see it. It's a menu maybe, I'm not sure. But anyway, and two pockets. And then I glued some of their butterflies onto a belly band, and here's just a postcard that they have. And this is a double flip page with a corner pocket and an envelope and a tag I put in here. And then I added some lace onto this page, which opens up. So you have this side, you also have this side, you can decorate and journal, and then I just glued the lace on. And then here is just the pocket. I put a little tag with some lace on it inside. Another pocket with a couple little certificates. And then the last page, which is a fold-out page. And I didn't really add anything on this. I just thought it looked really pretty with the butterflies, and maybe I'll add something later. And then I put it together with just a purple organza ribbon. So, and like I said, I'll link below my Porch Prints, their site. I'll also link the tutorial for this folio mini album, could be junk journal, whatever you want to make it, below. So if you want to make it, it has the cutting guide online. Well, you can take a screenshot of it. It's on there, so you can even cut all the pieces before you watch the video if you'd like. Anyway, that's it. I just thought I would share that with you. I hope you enjoyed it and that you have a great day. And remember, keep sparkling, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.